All right, we'll do a very bright interview outside.
Yes.
Hopefully you'll live up to the sunlight, the brightness. All right, so state who you are.
My name is Brent Edwards.
All right.
Senior consultant for Magenic.
Yes, and you were doing a talk today on what?
WPF with MVVM from the trenches. And we are covering all sorts of things that I've learned in the process of working with the great Jason Bach.
Oh my God.
On a WPF application.
You really want another promotion, don't you? Jeez. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, we were in the trenches together actually
Yes.
for the last 6 months on this stuff. So what specifically were you getting into the trenches about in the talk? What were some of the things that you if you could summarize the core things that people would want to know about MVVM, what are they?
Okay, well basically I talked about how to leverage cool WPF concepts such as data templating, data triggering, data template selectors, all sorts of things that leverage the MVVM aspect. And then I talked about how to incorporate navigation with MVVM with the view models, how to I talked about how you could unit test things, not really in particular diving into the details of it, but just a general idea. And talked about some cool tricks that you can do with tools like Snoop and the output window for Visual Studio.
So Snoop, for the people that may not know a lot about WPF, that's one tool that you introduced to the project that we were on that I actually ended up falling in love with because that thing is really cool. Why don't you describe what actually is Snoop?
Snoop is a visual tree inspector, I guess you could say. So you've got your application running, you can open up Snoop and you could walk through the visual tree starting right at the root and inspect elements, check out their properties, such as the data context, commands, that type of thing. You can check out events in real time, so if you've got a text box you can start typing and see what events are actually triggered in real time on the text box. And then you can do cool 3D inspection.
Which just has really no benefit, but it's just cool to
No
see.
benefit other than the cool factor.
Well, they also have the property editing that you can actually change that.
Yes.
So
yes, and that is something that has come with the recent version of it, but you can actually change the properties on the fly and see how it reflects.
The best thing I've heard about best comparisons like Firebug for
Yes.
WPF. So,
Yes.
And just to give a shout out to Corey Plotz, who's actually here, not speaking, but he's the one that's maintaining it from the Twin Cities area. So that's pretty cool too.
Huge thanks from us for doing an awesome job on Snoop.
Exactly. All right, thanks, Brett.
Thank you.